Jamaicans gather around. This is a touchy topic.
If you weren't married, because me hear this logic, somebody put my life on thing, me hear the woman them say the man them over here is despicable. They are crazy. And woman said to me, say, she rather take plane 4 times, go to Jamaica, go take
No, man,
wood.
that's true. We have them file, man.
Go take wood.
We are
So
the-
me want to know what really happened at them place
at the
where
file,
woman
at the file,
scream
at
I
and stuff.
file.
Okay.
At the file.
Okay.
Listen,
Okay. Hold on.
you know much. Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
Bro,
I digress. Go ahead.
Because I mean,
vice versa.
Yeah.
Vice versa. You know what I mean? But the amount of man they are foreign, bro.
yeah.
And thing, brother, for you to fly, they have to be some cause. And what if a Jamaican man there, dog?
Brother, me try, me not
Good
understand them. I
Jamaican
say,
man too, brother. But you see me, but you spend time with there, and you can't control we. And we have our papers and everything now. We have make our own money, because women love for control the narrative, you know. That's why them kick you out and put you out and all these things, brother.
Call
You
police
understand what I say? Call police. It's when them can't control the narrative,
Yeah.
and them next victim is to go to Jamaica. You see me I say?
Find the
I'm gonna take up the next one again.
weakest contender.
You see me?
So you go.
Exactly. I say go, you see me? And then them cuss. I say, yo, okay, the man come left them. Alright. You go there for a reason. Some of them go there for carry the money to come work and help them below us. And some of them come here and class the Jamaican man and say them are this and them are that. Man, you know what
Right.
Jamaican
Okay, but hold on
Right.
a second.
I'm not say this, big bro.
Yeah.
You know what Jamaican man come here, dog. Them not talk about this. We come bill with woman yesterday, dog. Buy
Facts,
woman
man.
car,
Nah,
buy
don't
woman
let
this,
them.
take them out of which part them
let
live.
them. A facts, man.
Be a rat around cross your bed bugs and a man can take you out of this, bro. Enough Jamaican man do it, but we not hear about that. Are we
You know
hear
about it, bro.
A
Bro, me
Jamaican
say,
man come here and
the
listen,
woman
man.
them, yo,
Brother,
before you go, the woman them put a stigma upon Jamaican women I like.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They're putting a stigma on Jamaican men with women I like. You know why? They're behaving like we're the worst set of man.
Facts.
Them one God, some of them, when them people are out their end, when them man tell you what time for shit, what time for piss,
Yeah.
or some of them treatment, and some of them want them,
Bro.
them sibo man. Yo, this is it. You see, if you put the narrative every single day, yo, Jamaican man are the worst. Jamaican man must say you have pitney. You have pitney with a Jamaican. You have pitney with Jamaican man. So we have say, you have brewed up the same set of pitney them, basically then.
Yeah.
The same narrative where you are trying to impose every single day upon we.
Remember,
Okay.
say same Jamaican woman we tell we say, yo, we are the biggest cheater, you know.
But where does the culture... Thank you. You took the words, you pull it right out of my mouth. You're a mega say.
Let me know what you think, because trust me, I've seen these situations so many times. And oftentimes, not all the time, but often, they work out exactly the way this guy was saying. So, let me know what you think in the comments.